We get drunk, so what we smoke weed.
Hi sa inyo mga kapet malo, ngayon papanoorin natin ang 5 blocks ni Monster Block ni Kobe Bryant. So ang unang block niya na papanoorin natin ay kay Zach Randolph. So panoorin niyo na.
The Lakers up 49-42. Randolph on the spin, and Kobe smacked it away. Secondary defense.
Waiting, he goes up, he says, "Oh no, I got this one."
So ayan, napanood niyo na yung block niya kay Randolph. Ang pangalawang Monster Block naman niya ay ang block niya kay Will Barton. So panoorin niyo na.
7 on the shot clock. That's tipped. It's stolen by Will Barton. Will Barton will go all the way. Wow, what a block! Warren, a technical.
Well, we get another look at Kobe with the block on the dunk attempt by Will Barton. Kobe right there at the top. I mean, meeting perfectly.
So ayan, napanood niyo na yung blocks niya kay Will Barton. Panoorin niyo naman yung pangatlong blocks niya, Monster Block niya kay Michael Redd.
92-88 rejected. Kobe blocked the shot.
Oh my
It
goodness!
created the turnover. What a play!
Oh, are you kidding me? Are you absolutely kidding me?
He didn't block it with one hand. Kobe went up with both hands. Oh my goodness, I have to see it again. Susan, Mark, show it to me. No, don't wait, show it to me now.
So ayan, napanood niyo na po yung blocks niya kay Michael Redd. Panoorin niyo naman po ang pang-apat na Monster Block ni Kobe. Ang blinak niya ay si Andrei Krylenko. So panoorin niyo na.
Farmer stayed with the play.
Are you
Didn't
kidding
quit,
me?
but Kirilenko Glenn took it away from Walt. Now somebody's got to stop the basketball. Nobody does.
24 says, "Are you kidding me? I'll meet you at the top." Put that left hand up there. Nothing but BALL.
So ayan, napanood niyo na po yung blocks niya kay Andrei Krylenko. Panoorin niyo naman po ang panlima at panghuling blocks niya kay Deron Williams. So panoorin niyo na.
Rachel came up with it. Deron Williams by Kobe Bryant at the rim.
So ayan, tapos na po yung panonood natin. No? Panonood niyo rin. So kung gusto niyo, subscribe muna kayo sa channel ko. Like yung video na to. Laban.